What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Keep Network. I haven't done an update on Keep Network in a while. I did actually do a video on Keep Network. It's been a while, guys. Actually, it was 4 months ago, guys. Okay, 4 months ago. It has 10,000 views. If you want to go check that out, you can go check that out. And definitely give that video a like as always. And of course, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and join us by smashing that subscribe button. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. As always, not financial or investment advice, guys. Invest at your own risk. All that, good jazz or whatever. But we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna jump right on into the price action for Keep Network. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. If you haven't yet, smash that like button for me. If you did go check out that video, welcome back. As you can see, still the same exact chart from that video from 4 months ago. And if you went back and watched that video and then you came back, you will notice that Keep Network basically did exactly what I had talked about in that video. We did continue to consolidate here. We did fill this pattern out some more, and then we did get a nice breakout. So far, we have caught that resistance at about $1. We did get up a little bit above it. We're going to zoom in on this. We're going to take a look at this, and we're going to see if this price target is still in reach here in just a second. So stick around and watch the video all the way through. So you can see that after breaking up out of this downtrend, this long-term downtrend that we were just looking at on the daily that you've seen in my previous Keep Network video, once we did get above that, we did maintain support on that. And I do believe that is half the reason we did get this nice pump up for Keep Network. Now, if we zoom in on this here on the 4-hour chart, you can actually see, guys, that we did catch resistance right here near an area that I've been paying attention to, that I was looking at for Keep Network, which was right there at $1, psychological target, also in the previous price action. But you did kind of come up just a little bit higher. You wicked all the way up to about $1.20, but overall, $1 definitely played as resistance here. Currently, you drop down here, dip down below that 80-cent support and resistance level. Currently, you are below that and attempting to show signs of resistance there at 80 cents as well. Currently trading at 76 cents. Something that I would like to point out, guys, if we zoom back out here on the 4-hour chart, if you look back at the previous price action, where we are at currently at about 75 cents, if you look back, this is all previous resistance. Even to this massive wick right here, you caught resistance here as well, and previous support. So we are at a very good place for a bounce for Keep Network, in my opinion. I do believe that if we maintain our support where we're at currently near 70 to 75, 76 cents, I do believe we could see a nice bounce from here. So what we're going to do is zoom in on the short-term price action here on the 4-hour and the hourly charts and take a look and see if we can't form a pattern with a possible price prediction here for Keep Network. All right, guys, so I would like to point out about 67 to 68 cents also would be possible support. If we continue to get rejected here by 80 cents, then we might drop just a little bit lower, down to about 68 cents possibly, right there, and hopefully hold that support, because if not, the next step down is going to be down here around, really almost all the way down here around 50 cents potentially, maybe 65 cents there, but really that's as low as I think this will go, because we're going to go ahead and put in our support resistance here, see if we have a pattern, and see if we can't possibly get us a measured move in here. So it does look like that we could potentially have a pattern here. Honestly, we could probably stretch it out here. This would almost make more sense. You get more touches here on the 4-hour. You do have potentially 1, 2, 3 touches there. We could go ahead and put in our support line, which is going to get us a very tight pattern here. Honestly, you could speculate this however you would like. You almost don't really have a pattern. It's very choppy. In this case, this is not a very reliable pattern in my opinion, but we can still speculate this possible move, which really you could expect something similar to the same width of this current breakout. So what we'll do is go from the top to the bottom there. And we'll do this first and see where that gets us. And then we can also go a little bit more risky, a little bit less conservative here. We'll bring it all the way down to the fractal of this current breakout that we've had. This will get us up a little bit higher, but either way, this will get us en route to my price prediction from my previous Keep Network update, which is what I'm getting at here, guys. All right, guys. So it looks like both of these potential measure moves would get us a price prediction for Keep Network up here around $1.35 to $1.55. So what we'll do is go ahead and put in an area to look at there for Keep Network at about $1.35 to $1.55. That would be here in the intermediate time frame. If we can get a nice breakout to the upside above 80 cents and then break our current resistance at $1, we could likely expect some resistance possibly up here at these measured moves once they're fulfilled. If we scroll back here to the left, it does look like $1.55 lines you up nicely back here with some of your previous resistance. So let's go ahead and put that line in here. I do believe it lines you up here nicely with these current tops from back here. So we'll put a horizontal line in right there. That's going to be at about $1.55. And yes, at about $1.55, it lines you up perfectly with previous resistance. So it would make absolute sense for this measure move to play out like that, for us to come up here in and around this general area, catch a possible pullback, back test possible resistance for some more support, and continue to the upside. With that being said, I do still believe that we could possibly get here to this target, $1.83, up here in and around $1.80 actually, $1.78 to $1.80. I do believe we're still in reach for that. And of course, we still haven't passed previous all-time highs for Keep Network. If we really look at this, it's looking pretty bullish, guys. The only thing is we are below 80 cents, which if you look back, 80 cents is previous support and resistance. So we do need to get above 80 cents. Otherwise, we could possibly see a pullback back down to those support levels that I mentioned earlier. We got some around 50 cents and around 42 cents here. I hope you guys enjoyed this update on Keep Network. I figured it's about time. I mean, I haven't done an update in like 4 months on Keep Network. So give this video a like if you want it to reach more people. If you love cryptocurrency, you're not in the wrong place. I tell you guys all the time, man. Join the live streams. Check us out. Visit www.averagejoecrypto.io. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you can join the community here and grow with us. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next live stream.